Welcome friends. In this video we are going to see the Spark interview question, a scenario based question. This question I already asked today morning in the FB page and I got a overwhelming response from everyone. We have four options here and the question is which one returns the result much faster. So we will have a demo to find which option returns the result much faster. I would also like to share I developed a code and I ran it for the series of time to check which option returns the result best. Let us move on to the demo. Before moving on to the demo, I will show you the code that I developed for each and every option. Let's get started. For this demo, I have taken a sample file from a Kaggle which has a sales record. We are going to do filter operation on top of this sales channel column which has option of offline and online, and we are going to sort on the column order date. So we will be filtering on the column sales channel and we will be sorting on the column order date. This is our requirement. Let us quickly go and check the code once. This is the code that we have for today. Like we have initiated a Spark session and everything, and here to calculate the time duration I am using datetime.now to calculate the start time and end time, and after execution I am giving a minus operation to get the duration. Also, if you see, I have created a 4 files: option A, option B, option C, and option D. So this is a basic code. I have also given a explain, we can go through that first. If you see, for option A and option B, there is no change in the execution plan. It will first scan for the file and it will filter for the data. Since it is a push to filter, even for sorting as well as the filter operation, the filter will be coming first and then comes the sorting. So this is the order of execution in our physical plan. For option A as well as for option B, I will show for option B as well. You can see here in option B as well, it is same, scanning the CSV file, filter, and then the sorting is applied. And here in the only difference in option C is we are catching the data, and here if you see, scanning the file and it is moving it to the memory, and after moving it to the memory, from memory it is scanning to take a filter operation and then sorting operation. This is same for option D as well, since filter and sort operation push to filter, because of push to filter, this looks same in both option C and D as well. So this is the overall physical plan that we have. So let us move on to execute the code. I have created a 4 Python file, option A, option B, option C, and option D, and we are having input data here. Let us execute through Spark submit command and check how much time it takes and which result is returning the result faster. I have opened an Anaconda prompt to execute our Python script, and I also moved into the location where the Python script has been placed. You can see option A, option B, option C, and option D, and also the source file that we have here. So let us execute one by one. I will give a Spark submit. Since we are running it locally and master will be defined as local by default, I will just give py file alone. let us run for option B as well. Now let us move on to option C. And the final one, let us move on to option D. So here it got completed, the 4 options got completed, and you can see like option A took 12 seconds and 81 milliseconds, and option B took 13 seconds and 96 milliseconds, and option C took 15 and 21, and finally the option D took 15 and 83. So from this it is clearly evident that option A performs better than other options. Mainly the option C and option D where we used cache, it lags, you can see. It is because like it will load the data file into memory first before performing the filter and the sort operation, which causes some lag in time. So our result is option A. From this we can clearly see. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like the content. Also give a thumbs up signal if you really like the video. Share it with your friends guys. Thank you.